I think I've been sharing with some of you the process of helping some of my students who want to work in the Texas public school system achieve a 24 plus in TOEFL speaking. And it's a huge challenge for many of them, and I thought that this tracker would be really motivating and sort of a visual reminder to study on a daily basis and keep practicing the speaking part of the exam. So as you can see, it's broken up by speaking part 1, and you can, if you practice that day, it's also organized by week, then you can check it off. If you practice multiple parts of the exam, then you can also kind of see how you're doing and what part of the speaking exam you're practicing, for example, on a daily basis. Yeah, I'm really excited. I hope that she benefits from this. Today she was asking me, so how can I keep track of these words? How can I remember them? So I also have this aspect of it, which is writing the key words, definitions, and she can write the kind of the words in context, and then she can go ahead and write some synonyms. As we know, in TOEFL speaking, paraphrasing is so important, and having a rich vocabulary in your responses is really essential to get a high score, especially a 24 plus.